Hey guys! I am super excited about the project that I have planned for today. I'll be making a custom wind chime using HART's 20V Rotary tool. The variable speed dial gives me total control. Whether I'm cutting, sanding, or polishing, she can handle it all with ease. With 33 included accessories, it comes with almost everything you need. Here are the ones I'll be using today. The onboard bit storage keeps the bits organized and within reach while I work. And for all of the accessories I'm not using right now, I can place them in this little case and store them under here. Turn the RPM all the way up to cut small metal pieces like copper pipes with the 1 1/4 inch reinforced cutoff wheel. And when you need to change a bit, just push up the spindle lock lever, loosen the collet, change out the bit, tighten the collet, and you're good to go. Just be careful since the bits may be hot after use. Turn the RPM down to drill holes with the 1/8 inch high-speed steel drill bit. Turn the RPM up to easily clean up and deburr rough edges with the aluminum oxide grinding stones. And for the finishing touches, turn down the RPM to add back shine using a felt polishing wheel. Best part, this tool is part of HART's 20V cordless system. Here she is, assembled and ready for my back patio. Sounds and looks so dreamy. This tool can do almost anything. I hope you like it as much as I do. Get yours and additional rotary bits at Walmart. Now go make great things.